Welcome to this professional demonstration of the ERRA Samsung BIOS Toolkit, a comprehensive utility designed for firmware technicians and advanced repair professionals. In this video, we'll walk through the complete workflow, from initial analysis to the final repaired output, showing how the toolkit simplifies complex BIOS handling into a guided, consistent process. All tasks demonstrated here are performed using the toolkit's graphical interface. Every operation you'll see is executed safely through user-accessible controls. No command lines, no scripting, no manual editing required. Let's get started. After launching the toolkit, the main interface opens. You'll notice a clean, compact layout with a series of clearly labeled buttons across the top. Each one corresponds to a key step in the BIOS workflow, from analysis, download and unpacking, to repair and final processing. The lower panel provides real-time logging. Everything the toolkit does is time-stamped, color-coded, and easy to follow. You'll see a progress bar that updates during major tasks like downloads or unpacking. This structured layout ensures that every action is visible and traceable throughout the repair process. We begin by clicking Analyze BIOS Dump. The toolkit prompts the user to select a BIOS dump file, typically a bin or DROM extracted from the target device. Once selected, the toolkit automatically scans the file. In just a few moments, it displays key details in the log window, the detected dump name, scan progress, and confirmation that the file is valid. If a platform ID is found, it appears instantly in the platform ID field near the top. This step saves valuable time for technicians who would otherwise have to inspect the dump manually. The toolkit also performs a quick internal check for system-specific data, for example, Windows key blocks or DMI information, and reports what's found. Everything is presented cleanly, with success messages in green and warnings in yellow. If a critical element is missing, the software notifies you immediately, allowing you to make corrections before proceeding. Once analysis is complete, we're ready to move on to the download phase. Next, we'll click Download.exe. The toolkit automatically uses the platform ID detected earlier to query the official source for the corresponding BIOS package. If you already know the platform ID, you can also enter it manually before clicking Download. As the process begins, the log panel updates in real time, showing connection status, file progress, and estimated completion percentage. The progress bar gradually fills as the file is downloaded. If the connection is interrupted or paused, the toolkit safely resumes from where it left off, ensuring no corruption or partial files. Once the download completes successfully, you'll see a green confirmation message. BIOS package downloaded successfully. The toolkit automatically saves the file inside the working directory, which can be opened directly using the Open Folder button. For most users, this phase takes only a few minutes, depending on internet speed and file size. With the package now downloaded and verified, we can move on to the .exe file unpacking stage. Even after a BIOS package has been successfully downloaded, or if an automatic download happens to fail, the toolkit provides a reliable alternative, the Get .exe link option. When this button is clicked, the toolkit instantly retrieves the official direct download address for the BIOS package corresponding to the detected platform ID. The link is displayed clearly in the log window, and your default web browser launches automatically, starting the download of that same executable file. This built-in fallback ensures that technicians always have a second method to obtain the required BIOS package, even in cases where a network interruption or a temporary server issue prevents the in-tool download from completing. It's a simple yet powerful feature that reinforces reliability and flexibility, guaranteeing that access to the correct BIOS update is never blocked by connectivity problems or tool-side limitations. Now we select Unpack EXE. The toolkit prompts for the recently downloaded BIOS executable. Once selected, it begins processing the package, extracting its internal components automatically. During this operation, the log window provides constant feedback, indicating which files are being unpacked, verified, and organized. The toolkit handles everything seamlessly, no manual decompression or third-party tools required. When complete, the output files are neatly placed inside the same directory as the original executable. If any BIOS images are detected inside the package, they're automatically extracted and renamed for easy identification. A confirmation message appears in green, extraction complete. From here, we're ready to move to the core of the process, the repair phase. With the BIOS package now unpacked and ready, we move to the most critical part of the workflow, the combined BIOS region repair and ME region cleanup. We begin by clicking Process Dump. The toolkit first prompts us to select the original BIOS dump file, the one taken directly from the target device. Once that's selected, we're asked to choose the corresponding BIOS region file that was extracted from the official update package. And immediately after that, the toolkit requests a clean ME file, which will be used to refresh and rebuild the management engine region during the same operation. This combined process allows the toolkit to handle both the BIOS repair and the ME cleanup in one pass, saving time while ensuring a more complete and synchronized result. Once all three files are confirmed, the software begins the guided rebuild automatically. In the log window, we can watch progress in real time. Each task appears with a timestamp, showing which sections are being replaced, synchronized, or refreshed. The progress bar below updates steadily, providing a clear overview of completion status. During this operation, optional repair settings can also be applied. For example, users can choose to preserve original DMI or NVAR data, or decide whether to remove or replace the embedded Windows product key. Each selected option is recorded in the log, so every change is transparent and traceable. As the toolkit proceeds, it first restores the BIOS region from the extracted update file, then seamlessly transitions into the ME cleanup stage. Here, the clean ME file is merged intelligently into the repaired image, correcting corrupted segments and restoring proper communication within the firmware. The combined process is fully automated yet completely monitored. Throughout the operation, the log provides detailed feedback, including successful replacements, verifications, and completion messages for each stage. When the task finishes, the toolkit generates a single unified output file, typically labeled with tags like repaired or cleaned ME. This file is automatically saved in the same directory as the original dump, ensuring the original data remains untouched for backup or verification purposes. The end result is a professionally rebuilt and fully synchronized BIOS image, with both the BIOS region and the management engine cleaned, verified, and ready for programming or testing. Thanks to this all-in-one approach, technicians can complete the full restoration process in a single step, faster, safer, and with total confidence in the outcome. You'll now see a quick second case, another system being processed just as smoothly with the same reliable workflow. The ERRA Samsung BIOS Toolkit will be available for public use very soon, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when the tool is released. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.